Here's a detailed comparison between the 2026 Nissan-Kicks-Sense and the 2026 Hyundai Kona, based on the most up-to-date information available. Overview: 2026 Nissan-Kicks-Sense represents the second generation, launched as 2025 model year, featuring a 2.0L naturally aspirated engine, 141 HP, 140 lb-ft, paired with Stronach CVT, available in FWD or AWD configurations. Interior equipped with dual screens, 7-inch standard, upgradable to twin 12.3, and offers wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, Bose Premium Audio, and optional Pro Pilot Assist driver aids. Spacious cabin and best-in-class cargo volume. Up to 30 cu-ft behind seats and 60 cu-ft with rear seats folded. Ground clearance is 8.4 in, ideal for light off-road conditions. Standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Available Pro Pilot Assist adds semi-autonomous capability. Warranty: 3 years per 36 km limited, 5 years per 60 km powertrain. First 2 years include 3 prepaid oil changes, 24,000 miles, under maintenance care plan. 2026 Hyundai Kona. Fully redesigned for 2026 with sharper styling, larger overall footprint, +6 in length, more interior space, and cargo capacity. Base trims receive 2.0L 147 horsepower, with CVT, higher trims, inline, limited, offer a 1.6L turbocharged engine, 190, 195 HP, with 8-speed automatic and available AWD. High-tech interior, dual 12.3-inch screens, digital gauge plus infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, ambient lighting, premium materials, Bose Audio, smart tailgate, and over-the-air updates. Safety Suite Standard, Hyundai SmartSense with forward collision avoidance, lane keeping/following assist, blind spot warning, rear cross-traffic alert. Options include surround view camera, highway and navigation cruise control. Pricing starts around $25,000 SE and ranges to $32,000 limited. Electric and hybrid options push pricing into mid-$30K to low $40K territory. Warranty: 10 years per 100 km powertrain, US, including 5-year unlimited miles general warranty in some markets. Scheduled services vary by engine type. Powertrain and performance. Kicks-Sense 2.0L naturally aspirated engine, 141 HP, CVT, FWD, AWD optional. Peppy enough for daily driving, but not performance-oriented. Kona. Base 2.0L, 147 horsepower, CVT/FWD. 1.6 TGD turbo, 19095 HP, AWD with 8-speed auto on inline/limited trims. Optional hybrid and full EV versions, 200 HP plus and 258-mile range. Fuel economy: Kona base 30 mpg combined city/highway, Kicks 30 mpg combined, 2735 depending on drive. Verdict: Kona offers more power choices and sportier performance, especially turbo or EV, while Kicks focuses on simplicity and efficiency. Safety and driver assistance. Kicks Nissan Safety Shield 360 is standard, AEB, lane departure, cross-traffic alert, blind spot. ProPilot Assist is optional on higher trims. Kona, Hyundai SmartSense standard across trims, with available advanced systems like highway driving assist, surround view cameras, and safe exit warnings. Both vehicles earned strong safety reputations, though Kona has top Safety Pick Plus, US, and Kicks is still solid. Some regional ratings vary. Pricing and warranty. Kicks-Sense, likely mid-dollar to $0K range, e.g. US $23,000 to $27,000 for higher trims /FWD/AWD, with basic warranty and prepaid maintenance package for first 2 years. Kona starts lower on entry trims, US $25,000 for SE, to $30K for inline, $32K for limited, electric/hybrid trims push to $36, $46K. Superior warranty coverage includes up to 10 years per 100 km powertrain in US. Key differences in buyer fit. Space. Kicks excels in passenger volume and cargo, especially with seats folded. Kona's rear legroom and EV storage may be competitive depending on variant. Power and choice. Kona offers turbo, hybrid, and EV options. Kicks sticks with the mild 2.0L engine. Tech and interiors. Kona features dual 12.3-inch screens and a more upscale cabin. Kicks has practical tech, but entry displays are smaller, upgrade optional. Warranty. Kona's 10-year/100K mileage coverage is significantly more generous than Kicks' 5-year/60K. Driving style. Choose Kicks if you prioritize interior space, a higher ride height, and simplicity. Choose Kona if you want sportier performance, cutting-edge design, and strong tech/safety coverage. Final word. Both the 2026 Nissan-Kicks-Sense and Hyundai Kona are excellent subcompact SUVs, but they serve different priorities. Choose Kicks if cabin and cargo flexibility, higher ground clearance, and low complexity matter most. Choose Kona if you value stronger powertrain variety, upscale cabin tech, sleek styling, and best-in-class warranty. Let me know if you'd like specs tailored to your region, pricing, or availability in Indonesia, or more detail on the EV/hybrid Kona options. 2026 Nissan-Kicks-Sense, Indonesia/Global. Design and powertrain. The 2026 Kicks is largely unchanged from the 2025 full redesign. Dimensions increased, approximate 171.9 in long, wider and taller compared to previous gen, and available with 2.0L naturally aspirated engine, 141 horsepower/2000 RPM, paired with Stronach CVT. AWD remains optional globally. In Indonesia, the locally marketed version is a Kicks e-Power hybrid electric variant, using a 1.2L petrol engine solely to generate electricity, powering a motor-driven drivetrain with no plug-in capability. Provides e-pedal, intelligent around-view monitor, and a comprehensive safety suite, Nissan Intelligent Mobility. Certified 5-star ASEAN NCAP.